Hello, I'm Dr. Samanthi Vikramarachi, the lab coordinator for physics at VCU. I welcome all of you to Physics 207 virtual labs. Well, as you know, Physics 207 major class being online for fall 2020, we have to take our lab portion into online version as well. We will be using Canvas as our LMS, the learning management system for lab classes. And then we use Zoom as the class meeting method. In this short video, I will walk you through the Canvas page and give you a little bit introduction to find the links for Zoom meetings and also the lab assignments. And please attend the Zoom meetings or the lab meetings through Zoom in the week of August 24th, and you will be meeting with your lab instructors and they will help you a lot. So our lab instructors are well trained and they're very helpful, so you can get help from them. Still, if you have questions, please email me or your lab instructor. Well, let me share the Canvas page with you and I'll show you how to find the lab course and the other links. All right, so when you log into your Canvas page, under the dashboard, you should be able to see the courses that you are taking. If your course instructors publish their classes on Canvas, you should be able to see that. So for you especially, you should be able to see Physics 207 University Physics 1 class. That's the lecture class. For labs, you will see a background picture like a lab setting. So that's the identification for the lab Blackboard page. However, I label it as University Physics 1 lab. So this is the lab Canvas page. So click on that and you can open the Canvas page for this particular lab. And under home, so if you click the home, you will see my short welcome message. And then click on the syllabus. That's where you can find all the information about labs. So here the general laboratory policies. So as the major class have its own policies, the lab class have its own policies because the teaching method is different. So there are a couple of policies that's different from the lab lecture class. So please read this information. And if you have any question, please list it down and save it for the first class meeting that you can ask it from your lab instructor. And then you can find the lab schedule over here. Click on this one so it will open you to the lab schedule page. And here you can find our lab instructors' email addresses and their names and the class sections and the meeting times. So as I mentioned, we are using Zoom meetings for the class meetings. You are not allowed to attend all of these lab sections or either of here and there. You are required to attend only for your enrolled lab section. So if you don't know which lab section you have registered, so please go to the e-services and check your enrolled courses. Under there, you can find the lab section number. So for example, if you're enrolled in the lab section that meets Friday 2 to 3:50, then that's Physics 207 L44. So if you're in Physics 207 L44, you need to attend to this lab meeting. And the Zoom meeting IDs and the URLs will be available here by next Monday. So you will see a meeting ID for a Zoom meeting, also the Zoom meeting URLs where you can click on it and join the meeting. Then here. Also, you can go to the Zoom over here. The Zoom links are not available right now because the first meeting will be in the week of August 24th. The Zoom links will be available here by that time. Then the assignments, the lab assignments will be available over here. So for now, you should be able to see a Excel supplement document. So that is an activity that we will be doing on the first day of the class. Actually, I'm in my version of the Canvas, so you should not be able to see that. But you will see the link for assignments. That's where you would see the lab assignments every weekly. So this will be ready by next Monday morning as well for you to have a look. Grades. So if you go to the grades, you should be able to see your lab grades. So once you submit your lab reports, you will see the submission over here and also the lab grades over there. Once the lab TAs graded your lab reports. Well, I think this is a short introduction to the Canvas page for your lab classes, and please attend the Zoom meetings for your lab section, and your lab instructors will give you more information and help you using the Canvas as well. I know the Canvas is a new thing for VCU, so all of us having a little bit training and learning how to do these things. Your instructor, the lab instructor, will help you navigating with this. So thank you. And if you have any other questions, please email me. And if you haven't registered for a lab section yet, please do it before the week of August 24th.